Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my remote control drift racing car. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you how it turned out. The package comes with several different pieces. We have some different accessories as well as the rechargeable batteries and the charging cord. There is also the remote controller as well as the car itself. Before you start playing, make sure the batteries are fully charged so you will be able to have fun playing as long as possible. It takes about 2 hours or so to fully charge, and it will give you around 20 to 30 minutes of play time with each full charge. The set comes with a 2.4 gigahertz remote, which automatically pairs with the car and provides a stable and long run time. It is quite easy to operate. We have the button to move the car forward, and we also have the wheel to turn the car either left or right. This remote control car comes with 2 types of wheels. We have 4 race tires as well as 4 drift tires. And you can change from one set of tires to the other set of tires by unscrewing and replacing the tires whenever you want to switch things up. We are now swapping them over to the drift tires to test out how it works. The kids definitely loved the drift tire action, which allows the car to do some pretty awesome moves, especially with this car being able to go in faster speeds up to 15 kilometers per hour. I like that this car is designed with a power hard shell that provides protection in case of impact or flipping over while we are playing with the race car. Overall, it is a really fun remote control car to play with, and my favorite part is that the kids were off their devices for a long time while we were playing and having fun with this car. If you are looking for a remote control car with high-speed racing performance as well as super fun drift action, either for yourself or to give as a gift for birthdays, Christmas, stocking stuffers, or any other occasion, don't miss out on this one.